Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have two 4x4-inch tiles. Actually, they're canvases. And I am going to play fast and loose. Well, not with that one, I'm not. I'm just going to give myself permission to throw some more enamel in there. To use up my paint. And I really want a little edge catcher. Because I had a feeling this might work out well. Rocking the edge catcher. I do the same thing over here. Did I say this is Priscilla Batzell? I think I did. At Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard in Spring Hill. So I am just going to try and use my thumbnail and a little more of that enamel next to that color shifting folk art purple that I'm completely enamored of. And hope some of it decides to come back. Just letting it all go down to the bottom. So if you're afraid of edge catchers, then this is the best way to start, I would think. Just give it a shot with the 4-inch canvas. These were Arteza's. Arteza donated these to me to see what I would do with them. And that's just beautiful. I'm going to grab a straw and see what else. I'm going to leave that. Actually, you know what? I'm not. So there's one down. I found these cottage cheese lids work really well as bases. I don't want to get anything in the way of that right now because I like it. I might put those in the monthly drawing. There's a monthly drawing every month. That's called the monthly drawing. And if you want to get into it, it's a $10 minimum, but there's usually a whole bunch of paintings. And I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill. I give lessons, and there's a free lesson for anybody who might be the drawing winner out of the choices that you have. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I know that there's some enamels in these paints because I put it in there earlier. I'm just going to keep running it down, rocking my edge catcher, and throwing it back. And the enamels are letting all kinds of really cool patterns come out. Really cool. I like that. I'm glad I decided to do this. So if you guys want to help me out, watch the videos longer. The longer you watch, the more likely I am to be able to be allowed to stay at YouTube. Revenue's down 2/3, and I'm posting twice as many videos, or 3 videos instead of 1, and I could use some help. The thumbs up helps me. The comments are wonderful. The donations are necessary. But watch time is the one thing that the YouTube algorithm knows. I have in here some beautiful paint. And I cannot get myself not to use it. So I am just going to scoop it right on there. And I could do it on the other one too, if there was a place I wanted to do so. Sorta, kinda. Because I Can sort of thing, the name of my first book on the Amazon link under Show More, underneath the video. And ooh, that's just gorgeous. Wow. That is unexpected. That's going in the bucket. I am done for the day. It's my birthday. It's time to go have a beverage with my honey and maybe a nap at the local Bonefish. If you haven't been and you like seafood, I recommend them. Not because they're telling me to, but because we go there and I like it. And soon I might not be able to afford to go anymore. So the paint is heavy on these. But there's GAC 800 in my recipe, and my recipe is under the video along with PayPal and Patreon links for if you want to donate that $10 or more to get into the monthly drawing. That you can find the examples of whatever I'm putting in there on the end screens of any video. I usually bulk edit that. And on my channel you can also find playlists of over 1,000 videos organized by the hundreds and also by the genres. And I'm going to give that a bit of a torch also. I might have to twiddle. It's always better to do this before you torch. I'm not very good at remembering to wait. Excuse me, that came out backwards. In any case. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Thanking you for all the contributions that have kept me painting in the past. Thank you for all the thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you guys, those of you who binge watch me. I really appreciate that. Those are kind of cool. They might be a little dark, but they're only 4-inch canvases, so as long as they're still in frame, which they're probably not. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I love you guys. There's over 85,500 of you. Check tomorrow to see what the videos might happen to be on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook or the community board on my channel at YouTube. What else can I tell you? I've forgotten something. Teespring clothing under the video is mine. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more on Facebook has lots of my artwork posted on like many, like over 20 items. If you want to see what I've been making since 2013, that's a good place to go. I love you guys. I'm sure I've forgotten something, but you'll see it in another video. Take care. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going, I wonder if I have automatic focus. No, that's too close. Oh well, I tried. I gotta get something higher up to work on. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Check me out tomorrow. Watch the videos longer. I love you.